In this video, I'm going to go over creating custom lead stages. All you need to do is come to your account settings page, click on lead stages, and you'll be shown our default lead stages. These are the stages that are preset in your account for you and cannot be edited or removed. But if we need to create a custom lead stage, so one that's not already here, all we need to do is click Add New Lead Stage, name that lead stage, a description, so leads to be nurtured. You can use anything that you want to use here. However, we do want it to be generic enough or general enough that it's going to be used across your account. If lead stages are too unique to the prospect, then you're just going to end up with a lead stage for everyone, and it's not really going to be usable. With lead stages, you can export a list of prospects that are applied to that lead stage. So it makes sense to have pretty generic lead stages that can be applied to many different types of prospects. We're going to keep this toggle on because we want to use it. Once it's created, it will show up here. We can edit or delete the lead stage if needed. But let's go over now to a prospect page. So let's check out James Henderson. Right now he's saying yes, want to buy, but because I created a nurture lead stage, I would want to use that in the case if he wasn't ready to buy just yet, but he could be sometime. So I want to nurture that lead. So now that's available at the top, at the bottom of my lead stage list here. It applies right away. You can see it here as well. And when we come to our prospect search, we now have it as an option here. And when I search for it, he is here. If there were numerous prospects with this lead stage, if I hadn't just created it and I've used this a bunch, then they'll all show up here and we can export that list. The other place where you'll see it is back in the campaign. If we go to prospects and messages, it will now be available on your drop-down menu here to search for any of the leads under that lead stage. If you have any questions, let us know.